Hey, all right, everybody, look, I've got another box. Right, so what's inside this box today? Well, it's another super duper, very, very bright light. Now, this isn't really meant for going on bikes, but I have ordered a bracket that I'll put on this bike, or maybe another bike, and we'll try and see what this light is like if we put it on the bike, as well as all the other functions, just, you know, the normal functions on this. And there's quite a few. There's quite a few functions on this, more than your usual light. So we'll try it out and on the bike, and we'll see what it's like. Right, okay, so here's the light, Wurkkos HD02. If I turn it over by here, it does say, but there, you probably can't read that because it's quite small writing, but it says in turbo mode, 3,200 lumens. 3,200 lumens. So let's just take it out to here. Let's get that bit by there, like that. It has got a little tab there. Pull the little tab, like that. Pull it out to there. There's some bits and bobs under there, look. Little carrying case, USB-C, instruction manual, and then the actual unit itself by there. And if I take it out by there, it's got a press button on there, like that. Oh, it's flashing away. And you've got different settings when you go that way, and that way. And I think it has got, if I pull these out on the side here, I believe, like that. There we go, like that. One like that, and one like that. And they light up as well. Right, okay, so I got the light rigged up on here. I got a bit of tape round there. That was for something different, but I've got it clamped on there at the moment. This isn't the proper clamp for the light. We've just rigged this up for testing purposes. Now, I'm going to take it out. We're going to go out on the EBIKE tonight. We'll wait until it gets dark, and then we'll put it through its paces and see what it's like out in the dark. And hopefully, this doesn't fall off here. Right, let's put on this super duper headlight, like that. Now, if somebody comes the other way, it's going to blind them, isn't it? Look how bright that is. Now, it is juddering a bit because it's on a sort of a bouncy mount, if that makes any sense. But at the moment, I can see for absolute miles. So let's go a little bit further, up towards the mountain. I think I'll go up this way. And we'll go towards the mountain. Let's turn that one off now. Go back to the normal light. Now, the normal light is a little bit whiter than this actual light in front of me. But what we'll do, we'll go towards the mountain and we'll have a look up there. Now, I haven't got a camera facing towards me because it's pointless, because you know, it's night time, so you won't see me. So that's why I haven't got a camera facing towards me. Right, I'll put the light on again by here, like that. And there we go. Like I said, if anybody was coming towards me now, I think that hurt their eyes. I think that's brighter than car lights, isn't it? It's like it's quite a round beam in the centre, but I think it needs to turn slightly that way, like that. Let's turn it off now because we're going to the main road. Now, I don't know how well you can see me, but this is the best lighting I've got. So I'll try the light here where there's no cars at all. There's street lights, but we'll just try it by here just to see what it's like. It's not a proper bike light, but I just want to see what the light is like, just give you an idea. So let's try it along here. And I gotta say, it's freezing tonight. It's actually New Year's Day, or New Year's Day night. And it's very, very cold. Anyway, let's have a look by here. Right, okay. No cars. Let's press the button. And there we go. I don't know if you can see, that's lighting right away up there. Is there a car coming in? I'm not quite sure. That my light train on that. There's a car there. Let's put that over there like that. A minute, a second. I don't want to blind anybody. Look, I can point it down. If I point it down on the floor like that, look, then we're not going anybody's faces. But if you point it up like that, it does go quite far. It's hitting them factories right up there. But anyway, let's get to the mountain. Right, okay then, here we are. We just got the normal light on this EBIKE, which is not a bad light. It's actually pretty bright, but it doesn't go quite far enough. So let's turn on the super duper light, and there we go. Let's point it right in the middle there like that, so we can see where we're going. Actually, what have I done there? Right, let's go. So you can see, it is, if you're on a mountain road, it's super duper bright. Now if I hold the button down, it goes dim. It goes to its dimmer setting, like that. Is that not? Yeah, can you see that on my hand there? That's its dimmer setting, which is dimmer than the actual headlight. Then you've got to hold the button down again. You probably can't see what I'm doing, but I'm holding the button down on the torch and it'll flash. And that means it's at its highest setting. And look at that. You can see, literally see everything. So let's drive up here towards the tunnel. No cars behind me, I hope. And we'll just go through the tunnel, and I think I'll make my way back down. There is a lamppost up there, look, but the tunnel, I think the tunnel is dark inside. So we'll just see what's happening. A couple of snowflakes coming down earlier on. So it is really cold. I've got 4 jackets on, and I'm still cold. Right, here we come. We're going to the inside the tunnel. And this light, look, is lighting the whole tunnel up. Look at that. Have you ever seen this tunnel so bright? Look at that. That is amazing. Right. Let's go a bit further and turn around. Another street light by here, but I think we'll turn around now. And you can see that tunnel is dark. Look, if I go towards it, look, it's lighting the whole tunnel up. Look at that. The whole tunnel is lit up. It's like daylight in here. And there we go, back out. I got to take it easy, can't go too fast because there might be some ice on the road somewhere. The roads are a bit damp in places. Now this light does have a few more functions, so I think we'll finish the test outside and we'll have a look at the light with a few more functions and see what it's got when it's off the bike. But anyway, I'm going to make my way back down here. Right, okay, so the other things I want to show you. So first of all, the bottom here is magnetic. So let me go and stick it on a shed by there and show you it's magnetic. Right, okay, here we go. So it is a bit top heavy, but we'll put it there like that. It does stick on there. It needs a good, strong, thick metal base for that to stick on. But that bottom bit there is magnetic, so that's pretty good. Now, it also has these wings here. When you open them up like that, that opens up. Now, the top button here, this also dims and brightens these. So if I hold that button there, I don't know if you can see on the camera, that's gone dim. If I hold it again, it'll go bright, like that. And the little flash you've seen there then, hopefully you've seen it, that means they're at their brightness. They don't swivel that way, but they come out that way there. When you close them, they go off. So there we go, that's that bit there. What other features? If I turn it around, let me close that there. And I don't know if you can see on there, I'll turn that way like that. That is, if I can point it that way there, I don't know if you can see on there. Can you see on there? That is the green laser. I'm not going to point towards the camera. I'll point it there like that. Do not point that at aircraft or anything because the police will come and arrest you. So do not point that in people's eyes, cars, up in the air, just pointing at stuff around you, if you know what I mean. Now, there's another feature. Let me bring it in a bit closer. Oh, I'll put it on that one there, like that. And that is, if I can get that to work. Is that working now? I don't know if you can see there. It's a UV light, but you can't see anything at the moment because it's quite light here, but it has got a UV light. So let's find somewhere dark to point this thing. And just to show you this UV light here, look, I'm just shining it on the back of this seat here. I don't know if you can see there, look, there's some stuff sparkling by there. There's a little bit of stuff through there, down there, like that, there. And a bit more that way there. Don't know if you can see, like, there's a purpley blue colour showing up. But there we go. That's that. And also, it does have a strobing effect, so I'm not quite sure how to get... There we go, there's the strobing effect. So there's the strobing effect. Not doing my eyes any favours, but there we go. If you do need a strobing light, it's got one of them as well. Now, also, the magnetic base, it has got a clip there as well. Don't know if you can see that there, look. There's a clip there, look. Boing! So there's a clip there, so you can put it on your belt. Now, the bottom here, this comes undone. I'm just unscrewing that bit there, like that. I'll come a bit closer in a second and show you. And I'll pop that out like that. Now that is sticking on there because that's magnetic. And then it's got a big, huge battery in there. Don't know if you can see that. I'll come close there. And it says on there, look, if I can read it, it says 5,000. Let's read that there. MAH. There we go. Is a 21700 battery. It's a big battery. That's what it looks like. I'll pop it back in there. Hope we put it back in the right way. And that just screws up like that. Nice and tight. I think it's waterproof as well. Right, okay then. There we go. That's the review of the Wurkkos torch. It is super duper bright. I mean, look at that. It is bright. It's a very bright light. Let me put it on full beam. Like that there one more time. It will flash like that. It's super duper bright. I don't know what that's doing to the camera. I have no idea. Let's turn it off. And it does look like it's a very rugged construction. So it looks like it's very well made. It's nice and weighty. It is a very good torch. I mean, the price is expensive, but it is a lot of torch for the money. All the links will be down in the description below. So go and check them out. And if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ho-hoi!